Hey everyone, welcome to your Sherpa Summit Club knowledge base. Here, you can view software release articles to stay up to date with all the newest features. You can read frequently asked questions, and you can watch training videos. This is also where you can submit support requests if you experience issues with your system. Let's take a minute to walk through how to submit a support request. On the top right-hand corner, click Submit a Request. I've already done that. So once you're on this screen, simply enter your email address, then type in a subject line. You'll notice as you type something, you'll get suggested articles that could help you with your issue. If you still don't find what you're looking for, continue adding your information. Then you'll want to add a description and try to add as much information as possible. Next, under Attachments, this is where you can add screenshots or any supporting documentation of the issues you're having. Simply click Add a File. And once that's uploaded, just click Submit. Your ticket will go directly to our support team, who will respond by email as soon as they can.